Thank you. My name is Tom Donoghue. I'm with the Medical Educational and Scientific Foundation, which is in fact the 501c3 foundation associated with the Medical Society of the State of New York, and Dr. Sam Untrick, who is our president-elect, should be here shortly. All the usual problems of getting into the city. I want to first say something that might sound a bit philosophical, but I really think a big thanks should go out to Henry Schein, because working with the physician community, working with the dental community, working with the vet community, the real reason for them to put this together and for us to be here is to help reconnect you as professionals with your patients. And your patient might be a doggy, your patient might be a dental patient, might be a patient of a physician. But realistically, it's this reconnection that is so important for physicians who have, frankly, had their practice washed away. So I'd really like to thank the Henry Schein organization for putting this together in such a hurry. It is tremendously important. Let's give them a round of applause. Thank you. I've met a lot of dentists. I've met a lot of vets here. I think the presentations so far were terrific. How many physicians are there here? Raise your hand. Dingy, 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 dingy. I guess they're all back to work. I just want to spend a minute going over with you a sheet that's up here. It's actually a total of 8 pages. There are a bunch of them in the back by the finance table. There's a bunch of them on the table up here. And in essence, this is the material that has been put together by the governor's office, outlining a whole bunch of things that you can do to help recover. Some of it deals with the terrific information from the FEMA, some of it from SBA, but some of it is also in regard to the new governor's initiative launched on the 14th of the month, talking about a development of a $10 million small business grant operation put together with the New York Bankers Association. So I expect we'll be hearing a little bit about that too. In addition, there is information which is kind of unusual, but it's talking about what to do with your records, legal requirements for record retention. And this is coming from the New York State Department of Health. And that's critical in reconnecting you and your practice with your patients. I know physicians who have totally got wiped out. There are still some physicians who keep paper records, and some of them are almost totally destroyed. So there's information here on how to go into record recovery, which I think is important for all of us. Anyway, and of course, extension of tax filing guidelines. This is up on the table up here. It's on the table in the back, the finance table. Could somebody at finance raise their hand? Yeah, there you go. Get a copy. It's 8 pages. There is more. This keeps getting refreshed on our Medical Society website, www.mssny.org. But sometimes it's best to have the piece of paper. It's got all those wonderful phone numbers that the FEMA representative was talking about before. So don't leave without taking a copy of it here somewhere, okay?